皆さんこんにちは、佐藤です。今日のレッスンはレッスン24。Today we are going to learn the form of verbs plus もいいですか? This sentence pattern. If you are not sure how to make the forms, please watch the lesson video 22 first. では始めましょう。Let's get started. Last time, we practiced how to make polite requests using the form of verbs plus ください. For example, how do you say please write in Japanese? Do you remember? To write は書く and it's an verb. So when we conjugate it, it becomes 書いて. So 書いて plus ください。書いてください。書いてください。This is what we learned in the last lesson video. The form of verbs plus もいいですか? This is used when you ask for permission. For example, may I take a photo here? This phrase is also very important as we use this a lot in our daily life.Let's practice how to make sentences. May I borrow your textbook? Textbook. Do you know how to say textbook in Japanese? It's 教科書 And the verb for to borrow is 借りる And it's a る verb.So when it's a る verb, you remember it's quite easy to make a te form. Just drop る at the end and add て. So 借りて This is the te form of 借りる 借りて. So 教科書を借りてもいいですか?教科書を借りてもいいですか? Please repeat after me. 借りてもいいですか? 借りてもいいですか? 教科書を借りてもいいですか? 教科書を借りてもいいですか? Next one. You visit your friend's house and found a photo album and you really want to look inside. May I see your photo album? And photo album, we just say アルバム What is the verb for to see? 何ですか? To see. It's 見るAnd it's a る verb again. So, what is the te form of 見る? Drop る at the end and add て. So, 見て May I see your photo album? アルバムを見てもいいですか? アルバムを見てもいいですか? Please repeat after me. 見てもいいですか? 見てもいいですか? アルバムを見てもいいですか? アルバムを見てもいいですか? Next one. May I cook?She wants to cook something for him. So it's like, can I use the kitchen? Can I cook something for you? I know, sorry, the girl in the picture doesn't look like that. She looks like, should I cook? Something like that. But please think, like, she wants to cook. And can I use the kitchen to cook something for you? To cook は何ですか? It's 料理する You can also say 料理をする。料理 is a noun. So to do cooking is okay. But when it's combined with する verb, 料理する, it works as a verb. 料理する。So either way is fine. 料理する or 料理をする。する is an irregular verb. する。Only する to do and 来る to come. These two verbs are irregular verbs. What is the T form of する？する。T form はして、して、して。So, may I cook? Can I cook? 料理してもいいですか？料理してもいいですか？ Please repeat after me. してもいいですか？してもいいですか？料理してもいいですか？料理してもいいですか？ Next one. May I take a photo? To take a photo is 写真を撮る。写真を撮る。写真 means photos. And 撮る is to take. But please note that the English word take can be translated to many different Japanese words depending on what comes next. What you take. 撮る is the verb when it's to take a photo. 写真を撮る and 撮るはう verb です。う verb. So what is the T form of 撮る? You remember? う verbs has quite complicated conjugation patterns. Do you still remember the song? 撮る ends with る。映るって。So if it ends with る, drop る and add small つ and て. So 撮る will be 撮って、撮って。写真を撮ってもいいですか？写真を撮ってもいいですか？ Please repeat after me. 撮ってもいいですか？撮ってもいいですか？写真を撮ってもいいですか？写真を撮ってもいいですか？ Next one. May I read your books? May I read your books? Books は何ですか？ It's 本 本 And what is the verb for to read? It's 読む 読む And again, it's an う verb. Please sing the song. How do you make a T form of 読む? 映るってムブヌンで So, ムブヌンで If it ends with む drop む and add んでんで So, 読む will be 読んで読んで本を読んでもいいですか？本を読んでもいいですか？ Please repeat after me. 読んでもいいですか？読んでもいいですか？本を読んでもいいですか？本を読んでもいいですか？Please translate this sentence into Japanese. May I turn on the air conditioner? Air conditioner is エアコン in Japanese. エアコン Do you know the verb for to turn on? It's ける Now, please pause the video and translate this sentence. Pause the video. Okay, what is the T form of つける It says it's a loop verb. If it's a loop verb, what do you have to do? Drop る at the end and add て So, つけてエアコンをつけてもいいですか？エアコンをつけてもいいですか？エアコンをつけてもいいですか？ Next one. May I sit? The verb for to sit is 座る Again, pause the video and make the sentence. 頑張ってください。座る What is the T form of 座る It's an U verb. So, 座る The last letter is る So, drop る and add small つ and て座ってSo, may I sit? 座ってもいいですか？座ってもいいですか？ The last one. May I study in the living room? Living room はリビングです。リビング。We also say 今。Please pause the video and translate this sentence. In the living room, you have to think about which particle you should use. You can do it. Okay, we put the place first. So, living, and which particle should we use? Living, おにわが It's living で The particle で indicates where the event takes place. So, you study, you do that action in that place. Living で And what is the verb for to study? To study は勉強するする verb. So it's an irregular verb. 勉強を What is the T form? 勉強して勉強して So, living で勉強してもいいですか？リビングで勉強してもいいですか？リビングで勉強してもいいですか？ When you answer to these questions, you can say, はい、どうぞ。どうぞ means like, here you are, here you go, yes please, go ahead. リビングで勉強してもいいですか？はい、どうぞ。Yes, please. If the answer is no, we tend to avoid saying no. So instead, we say, すみません。ちょっと。Even though we don't finish the sentence, that means, sorry, it's a little inconvenient or a little difficult. That means no. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. ありがとうございました。